Now guys, this creamy pottage is all shades of yummy, super yummy. I would love for you to try it. Let's get started. In a pot, heat up some oil. Any oil of choice is fine. Now go in with some soft chicken and add some onions and pepper. Season this and add some sesame oil. Give this a very good mix, cover the pot and allow it to cook for like 10 minutes. Once this is done, add some unripe plantains, Irish potatoes and garlic powder. Add some chopped bell peppers now and give it a very good mix. Now go in with some heavy cooking cream and some coconut milk. Ooh, you guys can tell that this will be so good, right? Allow this to cook for like 15 minutes and it is ready. You can add some more veggies. I'm going in with some green peas and some more bell peppers and some black peppers for flavor. Will you try this? Do you like this recipe? Please let me know in the comments. It is so perfect. Thank you for watching. Bye.